this is Janet with Try It Like It Created, and I know a lot of you have seen these dies at your Dollar Tree. This is the first time I have found them, and I know that they've been out for quite some time, but I thought we'd give them a test and see how they work. So this package that I've already opened comes with the 4 leaf shapes, and then I found this one that has a heart, and it looks like there's, of course, 3 different sizes of heart here, and it looks like you can leave them together. Or you could cut them apart and make heart shapes, or you can, like I said, leave it together and then, you know, have them inset into each other, or remove one from the center, however you want to use it. But so I have some cardstock here, and I'm just going to place the leaves down and run them through my mini maker. And I will say that the adhesive holding them to the backing paper, you want to make sure that you get all of that off, else you're not going to get a good cut. You're going to get a varied thickness there. So make sure your dies are clean and clear before you go to cut them in your machine. So I'm just going to send them through this little guy. Sorry for the squeaky noises. And so with just one cut, or one pass through, let's see how we did with the dies. And it looks like they did cut. So pretty delicate little things, and yeah, nice cut. So even the centers of the leaves come out. You could do this in 2 different colors and put them back together. And then this little one has a centerpiece that comes out easily as well. So there we go. All the pieces cut nice out of the cardstock. And you could also use this then as a stencil if you wanted to do some spray painting, or some ink blending, brushing. You could use them as stencils, you could use them as die cuts.